guys, welcome to Mega Mac TV, and this is the Apple LED 24-inch cinema display. Well, it's in the box. Oh! Oh my god. Come on. Holy crap. Come on. Designed by Apple in California. Inside here, some information, a cloth, and where are my favorite? Oh, come on, Apple. No sticker. That sucks. You know, at least give me some stickers. Okay. This. And there it is. You can see it in the box right there. Right there. Take it out. Ooh. Wow, it's very light compared to the Mac Pro. There you go. And here's the cable attached to it with the power adapter for your Mac, the mini display port, and the USB. Got a power cable here. What? Why is it not a Hong Kong one? Uh-oh, I think they got this messed up. Oh, here it is. There you go. It came with one of these and the Hong Kong one. Okay. So let's put this up on my desk. It is. And wow. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting this up to the Mac Pro. That looks very nice. And I'll give you a quick comparison with this display and the iMac, which I happen to have. The iMac that I'm selling, actually which I've already sold, not which I'm selling. iMac, next to it. There you go, guys. Apple display and iMac. That's the difference. The iMac is a bit taller. And if you look on the side, iMac is also a bit thicker and has a black area on the back. There you go. iMac on the back is black, and on this display it's all aluminum. So there you go, guys. That's my unboxing of Apple's LED Cinema display. I'm going to be connecting out to my Mac Pro, and I'll be back to show you that. You know what's really cool is because I'm using this with my Mac Pro, I'm actually not going to be using the power adapter for charging my Mac notebook laptop. So what I can actually do is, I'm hoping, I could actually use it to charge my MacBook Air. I hope this works. And it's working! There you go, I can charge my MacBook Air here. And use the display for my Mac Pro. Okay, thanks for watching my unboxing of Apple LED Cinema display. Thanks for watching Mega Mac TV. If you liked it, please subscribe. Bye bye.